Assalamualaikum viewers. I hope you are doing well. Today our topic is how to check NPN and PNP transistor on digital multimeter. So let's go to see how we will check NPN transistor and PNP transistor. First of all, we will set the multimeter on the required uh, selector. First of all, on the digital multimeter, we have two. We can check the transistor on two scale. One is called, this is the ohm range. We can check transistor on this range, also on ohm range. But we have, if you see, you can see here, we have a symbol of diode. So we can check transistor on this symbol too. So we have select the diode symbols or the continuity symbol. If we touch these two probes, you can hear the beep sound of the multimeter. Here is two, as you can view in my channels, another video. We have two probes in my digital multimeter. One is a red probe and the other is a negative probe. Let's go here. We have two transistors. One is called C945, which is NPN transistor, and the other is 2N3905, which is PNP transistor. So today we will check how we will differentiate the transistor, NPN transistor and PNP transistor. An NPN transistor, as you are C945, we have three terminal. One is called emitter. Terminal number one is called emitter. Terminal number two is called collector, and terminal number three is called base. Here is the symbol of NPN transistor. We can differentiate if we have symbols of the transistors that this is NPN transistor or PNP transistor by looking this arrow signs. If the arrow sign is outward from the base, you can see here. This is the emitter, this is the base, and this is the two is the collector. And the arrow sign is outward from the base. So it indicates that this transistor is NPN transistor. If we see on the other side here, you can see 2N3905 transistor. It is also has three terminal, which is in which one is emitter. Here two base. Here the base is the middle, and C945 the base is on the right side on the of the transistor, which is terminal 3. And here in this transistor we have base in second in middle transistor basic. In 3905 transistor, which is this is the PNP transistor, and if we see here, the arrow sign is inward to the base. So this indicate that this is PNP transistor. In NPN transistor, the arrow sign is outward, and in PN transistor, the arrow sign is towards the base. So this is we can differentiate in PNP transistor by looking this arrow sign. But in with digital multimeter, we can also check that this is NPN transistor or PNP transistor. So let's if we put red here, red probe connect with base and connect negative probe with second probe, it will show some resistance and remain the red probe on the base and connect the negative probe with terminal number 1. It will also show the resistance. But if we change, look at see, this is the base. Actually, this is the NPN transistor. So if we change the probe, we place negative here and put here the red on terminal number 2, it will not show any resistance. It will show infinity resistance. Remain negative probe on the same on the base and place the red probe with the terminal number Y, connect with terminal number 1. But it will in this condition it will not show the resistance, because in both sides the diode is reverse bias. As we know, a transistor is the combination of two diodes. So in this process, if we put here the red probe, it will show. If we touch the negative probe with this terminal, it will show resistance. And if again we connect this probe to a negative probe to terminal number, it will show some resistance. So in this condition, we know that the center is the N, the P, P here. This is the P, and the other side is N. This is P, and this is N. So we can see this is C95 is the NPN transistor. Now let's see the PNP transistor. Here we have a transistor, PNP transistor, as we already say that this arrow is towards the base, so it indicates this is a PNP transistor. How we will check with digital multimeter? If we put probe, the negative probe here on the base, and connect the positive probe with this one, a collector in one terminal, it will show some resistance. If we remove the red probe from terminal number 3 and connect with terminal number 1, which is emitter, it will also show some resistance. If we reverse the process, if we put red probe with this terminal, and connect negative terminal 3, it will not show any resistance. If we connect remain the red probe on terminal number 2 and touch the negative probe with terminal number 1, in this condition it will also not show any resistance. So it indicates, if we put here, as we see, this is P, this is N, and this is P. So this is PNP transistor. PNP transistor, and it will also show that this transistor is okay. It is not faulty, because in one condition it will show the resistance, and if we change the terminals, it will not show the resistance. So in this condition, we can check the NPN transistor and PNP transistor. Let's go to check. This is practical. We have a transistor like C945 transistor, which is NPN transistor. Now we will check. This is practically, we have terminal. This is terminal number 1. This is terminal number 2, and this is terminal number 3. So this is terminal 2, as we show here. This is the red. So if we connect red probe, positive probe with this base here with terminal number 3, and connect negative probe with terminal number 2. Look here, see, you can see some resistance on the digital multimeter. If we connect with this negative probe with terminal number 3, terminal number 1, it also shows some resistance. It means this is NPN transistor. If we reverse, if we want to check that this transistor is okay or faulty, so we will reverse. If we put here the negative probe with base here, which usually for good transistor, it should be we should connect positive probe with this. So if we reverse negative, we connect negative probe here and positive with this. In this condition, it will not show any resistance. You can see it show infinity resistance. Like it, see, look at, look at, it will not show any, showing any resistance on digital multimeter. It means that this transistor is okay and it is not a faulty transistor. If in this condition it shows some resistance in both condition, it means the transistor is short. If in both direction, in both process, it show infinity resistance, it means the transistor is faulty. So this is NPN transistor, so the red probe should be on terminal number 3, which is base. And if we connect with terminal number 2, which is collector, you can see the resistance on the digital multimeter. And again, if we connect with terminal number 1, which is emitter, so it is also showing some resistance. So this is, we can check. And PNP transistor, it is just like reverse the process. And here we, with the base, we connect the negative terminal, and with other side, opposite side will show connect to positive red probe. It will show the resistance as we see in earlier. And if we remove the reverse the process, if we connect positive here and negative here in terminal number 3, it will not show any resistance.
Hmm. Hmm.
I hope now you have learned how to check NPN and PNP transistor with a digital multimeter, and how we can differentiate NPN transistor and PNP transistor with symbols also. So for more informative video, please subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thank you.